In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a custom domain for Circle. So in 2025, step by step. Let's dive right in and get your Circle community up and running with your very own custom domain. First things first, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. This is the control center for managing your community, so having access is crucial. Once you're in, the next stop is the settings menu. On the left sidebar of your admin panel, you'll see it listed. Click on Settings and scroll down until you find the section for Custom Domain. It's usually near the bottom, so keep an eye out for it as you navigate through the page. Once you locate the Custom Domain section, you'll want to add your own domain. To do this, click on Add Custom Domain and enter the domain name you wish to use. It's important that you input the domain accurately, as this will be critical for ensuring that your members can access your community seamlessly. Once you're satisfied with the entry, go ahead and hit Save. The next step involves copying the CNAME value provided by Circle. So, this CNAME value is essential because it helps your custom domain point to Circle. So, you'll find it right there in the custom domain section. Simply highlight the CNAME and copy it to your clipboard. Next, shift your attention to your domain registrar, the platform where you originally purchased your domain name. Whether you're using GoDaddy, Namecheap, or another registrar, log into your account there. Once logged in, navigate to the DNS settings for your domain. This is often found under a section labeled Domain Management or DNS Zone file, depending on the service you're using. In the DNS settings, you'll want to add a new CNAME record. The host or name field should be set to www or as instructed by Circle. So, this tells the system that it should redirect traffic to the subdomain you're configuring. Then in the value or points to field, paste the CNAME value you earlier copied from Circle. So, don't forget to set the TTL or time to live to the default option. TTL determines how long it will take for DNS changes to propagate throughout the internet. Once all the details are filled out correctly, save your changes. Now return to Circle.so and verify your domain by clicking on the Verify Domain button. This step checks to ensure that everything is set up correctly. Now it's a waiting game for DNS propagation, which usually takes about 5 to 30 minutes. During this time, you can watch your configuration settings refresh and get ready. Once the DNS has propagated and the verification is successful, your Circle.so community will be accessible via your custom domain. Congratulations, you've now equipped your Circle community with its own unique web address. Enjoy managing your community and give your members the seamless experience they deserve.